From the Osaka Expo, explore more of Japan. Legends of the North, exploring Hokkaido's mythical landscapes.
Wow, what a nice view.
I can't believe we are just 50 minutes by car from Sapporo.
Look!
This is the Toyohira River, which is about 70 kilometers long. Sapporo City, in Hokkaido, with 2 million people, lies in a fan-shaped area formed by this river. It's known for its development in harmony with nature.
What kind of animal can we find in this area?
The Toyohira River is home to deer, bear, birds, and each autumn, 1,000 salmon return to spawn in its water. Yeah.
The forest is so fresh here.
You can feel the nature, even in the cookies.
Oh, I can't wait to meet the Ainu people and to learn more about their culture.
Hello.
Is it your new friend?
For so long I had this image of Hokkaido, which was only full of snow.
This is a city where a volcano that erupted about 10,000 years ago is still alive today.
It smells like rotten eggs.
You're true. Yeah.
Will you enjoy?
Thank you so much.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
This
Delicious.
looks delicious.
Noboribetsu enjoys the blessings of volcanoes. It's a town that has flourished along with hot springs since ancient times. This hot spring is known for its skin softening effects.
はい、お待たせしました。
Cheers.
What a lovely day today.
I realized how much Japan has so many surprises, and especially Hokkaido. We can learn a lot of things about the Ainu people in a museum.
Yes. Upopoi is a place where you can experience Ainu culture at the museum.
Oh, great.
In the center of town is an Ainu Kotan, meaning settlement.
Look, there is an Ainu festival just here. There are still around 13,000 Ainu people living in Hokkaido today. Salmon isn't just a meal to them. It's essential, used for everything from food to clothing.
It looks good here. Let's go. Thank you so much.
It's simple, yet so alive with the flavors.
昆布とあとはその素材の味入っているものの旨味がですね。
Excuse me? I bought this. Can you tell me how to use this?
Okay. This is mukkuri. Knock, knock, knock. Snap, snap. That's it. Wow, すごい nice.
In an Ainu Kotan, you will find a rich tapestry of experiences. From food to folkcraft, you can get a real taste of Ainu culture. Kengo Takiguchi, who is also an Ainu guide, explained how the Ainu have incorporated the blessings of the forest into their lives.
This tree is Japanese willow tree. We make a shaving stick called the inau. This is for gods. We call it Kamui. We believe in animistic way. Every tree has got a spirit inside, so we believe in that.
And in the forest by Lake Akan, you can experience the Ainu world at dusk. It's a fantastic sight. Finally, we heard from an Ainu elder who shared his stories about nature.
関東路は天から約作の役目なしにアランケプ降ろされたものシネプカイサム一つもないという意味があります。
I will treasure these words. Thank you. It's beyond what I imagined. This journey has been truly special. I bought this.
What's that?
It is a mukuri.